Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about how to find the different types of mirrors. Here you see there are three different mirrors. 1, 2 and 3. How to find the types of mirror, whether it is a plane mirror, whether it is a concave mirror or whether it is a convex mirror. How to find, we'll show you with an experiment. Here you see there are three mirrors and you'll find which type of mirror they are. First of all, let us take one mirror. Suppose I am taking this mirror, right? If you see the image of this frame, you see the image of this frame, you see the image of this frame, you see that the image is behind the mirror, right? Here you can see very clearly that the image, let us take this candle here. Right? We see the image of this candle. See here, this way, right? With the image you can find that the image is vertically upright. You see here, the vertically upright. That means, you see the image is vertically upright. Or you can say the image is erect and it is behind the mirror, right? And you can say that since the image formed in this case is behind the mirror, it is virtual image, right? Therefore, the image formed here you can see is virtual, right? And you see the image is erect also. See, the image is erect, right? And you see, if you see clearly that the image is same as the object. That means there are three properties of plane mirrors. You see here, the first property is that the image formed by this frame is same. That means that the image size and object size is same, right? And you can see, if you measure or if you observe that the distance between the image and the mirror and the distance between the mirror and the object is same. Therefore we can say that this is a plane mirror, right? That means in plane mirror we will find image as virtual, image is erect, and the size of the image is same as the size of the object. That means it is a plane mirror, right? That means we find this plane mirror as plane mirror. Now if we take another mirror, this one, we don't know what type of mirror it is. Now let us find what type of mirror it is. Now you see, now you see this image, this one. You see the image is behind the mirror. See the image very clearly. This is the image or you can see it very clearly in this way. This is the image. You see, the image is behind the mirror, then that means it is a virtual image, and the image you find here is erect also. You see, this is erect, this image is erect, virtual, and the size of the flame is small. That means here you see, if you see very clearly that the size of the flame is bigger than the original size, right? That means it is a